It's been a hell of a week. Hi, everybody. Veterans Day, November 11th, Buzz 60 Politics. I'm JD Dapper. So it's now under 2 months to the Iowa caucuses. And in the race for the White House, who's up, who's down? Let's check in with the week's biggest newsmaker. Rick Perry has commanded the late week news cycle, first with his debate brain freeze.
Oops.
And then with his day-long, I'll go on any show that'll have me recovery blitz.
I just learned Justin Bieber is my father.
Oh my God.
Funny, but unlikely to change the fact that he's in fourth place. Herman Cain has had a better week, in part thanks to Perry's attention grabbing, but the sexual harassment charges and Cain's answers to them are likely to return to the top of the charts next week, and that cannot be good for him. Finally, Barack Obama's had a mixed week. Voters in Ohio roundly rejected a Republican fave, trying to limit the rights of public sector unions. Swing state Ohio's in play, but in Virginia, Republicans captured full control of every branch of government. And Virginia is a state Obama needs to win. Set your DVRs. There's another debate on Saturday night. Not to be confused with the Saturday Night Live debate skit, which is sure to be more entertaining. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.